Squares of numbers ending in 5. For starters, what is the square of a number? The square of a number is the result you have when you multiply that number by itself. Okay, for instance, let's say you're looking for the square of 2. So this is 2. When you square it, what does it mean? It means 2 times 2, which is equal to what? 4. So the square of 2 is 4. Alright, so in this video I want to show you how to get the squares of numbers ending in 5 without using calculator. So any number at all ending with 5, how do you get it? An easy, a very fast way of getting squares of numbers ending in 5 without calculator. Alright, so simple trick. Now let's choose any number. Okay, let's start with 5 because 5 obviously ends with 5. So you have 5. 5 squares. Of course, you know 5 squares is equal to 5 times 5, which is equal to what? 25. Very easy. Now let's choose another number. Let's say 15. 15 ends with 5, so let's square it. How do we get this without using calculator? First of all, I want you to know that any number that ends with 5, if you square it, is going to end with 25. So for instance, 15 square. So what they're going to do is they're going to square 5 first of all. Do 5 square, which will give us what? 25. Okay, so the next thing to do is to pick the number after it, which is 1, right? And then multiply this one by the number following 1. What's the number following 1? Is 2. So 1 times 2, right, is what? 2. And that's why 15 square is equal to 225. Okay, let's see what I to work for another number. Let's say 25, for instance. We have 25 square. So if you follow that same logic, remember I said it will always end in 25. So pick 5, square it, you're going to have 25. Okay, pick 2 and multiply by the number following 2, which is 3. So 2 times 3 is equal to what? 6. So you have 6 to 5 as a square of 25. I think this is very easy without using calculator. Okay, let's try one more. Let's say, okay, let's choose a bigger, higher number. Let's say 7. Okay, 75. Let's square 75. Remember, you take 5, you square it to give us what? 25. What do you do next? You take 7 and multiply it by the number following 7, which is what? 8. 7 times 8, of course, you know, is 56. So the square of 75 is 5,625. Wow, I think this is very fun. Let's do one more for the sake of fun. What if you have 95? 95, square it. Remember, take your 5, square it to give you what? 25. And then bring your 9, multiply it. What the number following 9 is 10. So 9 times 10. 9 times 10 will give you 90. So you have 9,025. So this, my friends, is how to get squares of numbers ending in 5 without using calculator. I believe this is simple and very smart. Thanks for watching.